I want to say a massive thank you to all of you that are subscribed to my YouTube channel. We have hit 25,000 people that are subscribed and watching my Ninja Foodi content, which seems absolutely crazy. And I am just so grateful for all of you. Your support is absolutely amazing. And being on this journey with you, learning how to use the Ninja Foodi is just absolutely brilliant. I think we've come a long way since the start, and we are finding that we can create some absolutely amazing food in the Ninja Foodi. And to thank you all, we are giving away one of my books or a subscription. So you probably can see here, I have got my book. So you've got 99 Ninja Foodi recipes, which was my first book. You've then got the Christmas cookbook. Then you've got the 4 seasons, and then the new one, which is one pot. And also, if you don't know, I have got an online recipe subscription as well. There's over 400 recipes on there. It's an annual subscription. So all you've got to do if you'd like a chance of winning one of these is to leave me a comment down below, and also make sure that you are also subscribed. So it's free to subscribe. You just hit the subscribe button down below. If you want to turn on the notification bell so that YouTube let you know when I upload a video, you can do that as well. And yeah, so just comment down below, which book would you like? And if you don't want a book, then you can opt for a subscription instead. So just leave that comment down below, and then I will be choosing a winner at random. So I am just so thankful. So thank you so much, everybody. I can't believe that we've actually got this many people using the Ninja Foodi and the channel. And obviously I want to continue to grow that, spread the word that, you know, it is easier than you think. I think a lot of people buy this, they get it. Maybe you've had yours for Christmas and you're looking at it and thinking, wow, this is super daunting. I promise you it's not. And if you watch my videos, you will grow in confidence, and you'll be able to create more and more dinners, you know, breads, cakes, you know, it is endless really what it can do. So I look forward to reading your comments down below. So I'll be choosing somebody at random on Sunday evening, and I will let you know who the winner is. So thank you so much for watching today. I hope you're all doing really well, and thank you for all your support. And I'm looking forward to 2026 with lots more ninja recipes.